good morning, my Hong Kong employers. I am Raquel Das, 47 years old, was born November 12, 1977. I am a solo parent with 5 beautiful children, ages 28, 25, 21, 19, and the youngest is 8 years old. I am working a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 6 years with one employer. I can do household chores, marketing, and washing clothes. I can also take good care of your children. I can be a good auntie to them. I am a hardworking, a trustworthy person, a God-fearing. I hope that you can choose me to your home and take good care of your children and taking good care of your house. Thank you and God bless.